me. Like,
Hello?
yeah. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, but the question is if people can hear us. 1 second.
I can't see any chat yet.
Okay. I think it's going to be a different video now, no?
It's working now. Perfect.
It's working now. Great. Perfect.
Good.
Yes. So 2 minutes to go and it got rejected. Look, man. It's
Right
like
before the 15-minute closes, man.
always does that. Testing our patience.
It is. Now, if this closes bullish,
Yeah.
I'm not even looking at anything, to be honest. Because I cannot enter longs from here.
Yeah, it's too expensive here.
Yeah.
We're almost near the highs of the day, so no.
Yeah.
We
So I'm
want
trying
discount. Now it's smooth. Okay, nice.
I think my screen is getting shared now. Not in a trade. I just marked it so that like I was hoping to enter a trade there. I just marked it. This was my entry if I'm taking a second trade today. Is my screen visible?
Yes. All good.
Okay. Now we are finally back.
Bro, you see that 15-minute?
Yeah. That's why we wait.
Yeah.
There was a time in the past where I used to jump in before it closes because why just miss a couple of pips or
Yeah, and it ends up really bad once it just decides to go south.
exactly. Okay, I place an order here. Very small. Yeah, I'm in.
Oh, you want to
I'm just trying because the risk reward is very worth it. It's 1 to 10.
Yeah, I'm in as well.
You sold? What's your price?
I sold at 26.09.
Oh shit. Mine is 25.4.
It's okay. We want the same outcome. We'll celebrate together at the TP.
So what's your TP?
My TP
15.5?
95.
You know what? Let this close below 22. Yeah, below 22, and I'm moving my stop loss to break even.
Okay.
Like I'm literally just like risking $1. You know what? Your stop loss is your entry is actually my stop loss.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
26 point what?
0.09.
I know. My stop loss is 26.4.
Okay. Actually, I'm getting my stop loss I'm gonna move my stop loss to 27.6. It was at 30.
Yeah, I think you can safely move it to break even, man. It's, your entry price is amazing. Okay, so TP at 60. Okay.
Let's get it.
So yeah, 1 to 10. That would be nice if it
Pretty
works. Yeah. Risking 0.2%. Imagine risking 0.2% makes you 2%. That would be,
fire.
yeah.
I usually go big, so yeah, tightening up the stop loss is good for me. Having a tight SL.
Up, up. We're going back up. What's happening? Okay. The screen is not visible. Yes, because no one is sharing his screen, right?
Yeah, nobody's sharing.
Let's read some questions. Larry Williams said that risk per trade should be 4%. Thoughts on this? Well, that depends, because that depends how many trades you take in a year or in a month or in a week. It works for me. My stop loss per trade is 4% on my swings, but that's not the case now when we're trading like live. Of course not. I'm not gonna risk 4% on on 1 minute time frame. I'm out, by the way. Yeah, I'm stopped out. But yeah, whatever works for you, man. 4% could be right, 4% could be wrong. Depends.
Gold is pushing up.
Yeah, it's pushing, going back up.
If we end up getting this pattern, then it's just gonna skyrocket non-stop. If this
Yeah.
main candle closes anywhere above 28.
Well, it was worth the shot.
Yeah, of course.
What's important? Risk per trade keeps jumping, man.
It's very nasty now and choppy, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. Risk per trade 0.5% or 1%, which is better to pass? So they're asking about prop accounts, so I think you guys can answer better than me.
What's the question again?
The question is, what's a better risk per trade, 0.5% or 1%?
Well, if
That's
you
a
want to
tricky one.
be, I mean, if you want to be profitable in the long run and maintain your account and try to keep your account alive for the most number of days possible, then yeah, you can go for 0.5 because you're still going to make a lot of money. You're still going to be profitable and your account is going to be there. And when you hit, rough days, bad trading days, losing streaks, whatever, you're gonna be able to lose less, and you're gonna be able to get out of it. With less mental pain and all that. Because 1% and you just see it fall into drawdown, you're just gonna risk more and you're gonna fall deeper and your psychology is gonna be fucked. So yeah, my answer is 0.5%. Longer run.
But doesn't that depend on your win rate?
It depends on your win rate and your trading style, of course. Personally, both don't work for me. I do big risks on funded. I cannot just
Okay.
go strictly on 0.5% or 1%. I wish I can, but I can't. Uh, I
Yeah,
go,
so hopping back. Are you holding any shorts, Salah?
unfortunately, not.
Yeah, I'm not holding any either.
Bro.
What about like I don't like this. Even like there's no setup here.
I don't
I don't
like
like.
it.
No, I don't like it.
Like we cannot short unless we get a closure below
22 at least.
yeah 22, 24. We need to close below them and then we can short. But even if it closes below them and we short, it's still not safe and it's a bullshit.
Yeah, it's not the best short ever. No, like if you want to wait for a proper setup, I think you'll get it around like 2 hours from now, not before that.
Yeah.
Needs time to cook.
Yep.
Um, yeah, someone is saying 4% is too much. It is too much, but like I trade like 15 trades, 20 trades a year. That's it. And not all at once, of course. So I don't open many trades in a year. So 4% makes sense to me. So when
Yeah, and
I,
you're a trader.
yeah, just explaining to one of the guys who was telling me that 4% is too much. It is too much, but my setups take too long to form and I stay for too long in the trades. So I need my stop loss to be wide enough. And if I'm taking, for example, 1 to 5, so the 4% could make me 20% of the account, but not over one session or one day or 1 week, sometimes over 3 months. So that's why if you just divide it on 3 months, I'm basically risking like 2% a month, which is nothing. So yeah.
Mhm.
What about the 40-14 break? Yeah, that's even more important than 20.
Yeah, if that breaks, then it is guaranteed that we're going to 90.
Support. How do you manage risk? Well, just plan it and have some rules. How do you trade news? How do you trade news? I do not trade news. I don't know about you guys.
I do not either.
Same. I totally stay away from news. The first thing I do while starting trading is morning. I look for the news so that I can close the trade 20 or 30 minutes before.
Yeah. The 4% is making a scene here. They're saying 4% in a single trade, yes, but that's not on prop. That's on personal accounts. Okay. What else do we have? More questions. What do we have? We might be getting a setup soon on the 1 minute. You know what? I think I'm seeing a triangle. Let's A, that's B, C.
It just wasn't able to basically take over 30. So it's dropping, but it's still trying to claim 30s and
Ah,
do so.
I betrayed you.
You sold?
No.
You bought?
Yes.
Huh? Where do you buy from?
Um, 23.7, 0.76.
Okay.
Stops 22.5.
Okay. Let's see.
Or you got my 1 to 2. 1 to 1, actually. No, that's 1 to 1.
Hmm. Ah,
If this one doesn't work, I'm gonna stop till it's 7 p.m. Dubai. I'm not gonna take any more trades. I'm not trading this one until it's done. Either stop loss or take profit, because I don't want people to take it. It's very risky.
I mean, it's pretty logical. If 30 breaks, if we get any candle that closes above 30, you can buy blindly.
Well,
And
above what again? What's the level?
above 30.
30. Okay.
And if we get any candle below 15, you
No,
short.
see, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out.
Hmm.
Yeah, I'm out. My stop loss was too tight. Yeah, I think we go back to the first theory.
Yeah, it's the one that makes more sense.
Yeah.
It's just manipulation is the one that's like basically fucked the trade for us.
Yeah.
I promise you, I'm gonna short the living shit out of gold once it breaks 15. I'm not gonna chill when that happens.
What a 1 minute candle, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you open the 1 minute chart, please? Look at that candle, man. It's been ranging and
It's just like, fuck y'all, I'm out.
oof, yeah.
Oh yeah, it's 9 a.m. I forgot. That's why we got this candle.
Yeah, okay. Someone is asking about my swing trade. Say if you had opened the gold long position from 3,300. Where is the? Yeah. So have you closed that trade? Yes, I have. And please, can you explain that trade? I will. And how much risk did you take? 4% on that trade. 4% on that trade. And the lot size, I'm not going to tell you because you'll be able to know how much money I made. But I can tell you how many pips I made. I made 4,000 pips on that trade.
Beautiful.
Yeah. But I'm not going to say the lot size, no.
Yeah. Why would somebody want to know your lot size? That's too
I don't
personal.
know.
That
Yeah.
is too personal, bro.
I had opened, yeah, I answered that. You're welcome. I hope I answered your question. Okay, so the logic was a technical pattern, which is the symmetrical triangle, which is a continuation pattern. We have been trending up since 2018, and we made an all-time high back in April, which was 3,500. And we started just like consolidating and like trading sideways in a pattern of a triangle pattern. So after that pattern matured, and I saw that it fits all the criteria of a continuation pattern, which is the triangle, I decided to enter with my stops below the previous bottom of that triangle. It's 15, man. It's 15.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're looking, yeah?
Yeah, we're gonna sell. We're gonna let this candle close, and yeah, we'll be able to short. Yeah, short.
Mm-hmm.
I personally sold, but I'm not. I'm telling you, the people to not sell unless this closes.
Let's wait. Let's wait and see.
Yeah,
It will give you some confirmation.
my confirmation is that needs to break, retest, and then you get the setup.
So the 5 minutes it broke the 22.
Yeah.
It needs to close. We have 30 seconds to go. So once it closes, we're good, I think.
I think we have a second winner.
Okay, so would you like to announce, Anand?
I just announced first. Okay, I just announced. It's
Okay.
It's Farouk Mahmood, the second winner of for us today. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Farouk Mahmoud.
Congratulations.
Don't blow it. Yeah, so it closed below. The 5 minutes closed below, and let me check the 15 minutes. Man, if you're going to wait for the 15 minutes, it's going to take too long.
Yeah.
Yeah, it might reach the target, which is 990.
Mm-hmm.
I suggest going to the 5 minute chart.
This is the 5 minute.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm saying they could get in. But it's...
You know where I'd sell? 21 and a half. 21.5. I'd sell with my stops above 25.7.
Mm-hmm.
No, let me place the hold.
Stop loss to be here, basically, because this just gives it space.
What's your stop loss?
Around 30.
It is the safer stop loss, yes. But I don't want it to break above this, so I'm gonna place it at 26. Second, let's see. It might never like fill my order, but let's try. So that's 1 to 6.
It has no excuses now to not drop, to be honest.
Yeah. So 1 to 6, 1 to 4. So yeah, I'll go home with 1% if this one works. If not, I'll go home with minus 0.5% or a little bit more, like 0.6%.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Pop.
I think it already gave a good retest here, but
Yeah. It might not go back to
Yeah.
22 or 21.5.
But
But I'm not
trust me, an entry from here would still be good, but
yeah,
a bit lighter.
yeah, smaller size.
Mm. Besides that, like 50 pips in, and you can already reduce your SL size just like by 50 pips as
Mhm.
well. Put it at 25.
Laxman is asking any FOMC meeting updates. No, we're waiting. The interest rate decision is after 5 hours, and the press conference is in 5 hours 30 minutes. So once they mention their future plans on rate cuts, we will let you know.
Mm-hmm.
If the question is for me, did you enter? No, I didn't enter. Salah did.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. Do you trade fundamentals or only technicals? My answer would be technicals, but I use fundamentals to understand the environment I'm trading in. I move the mic to Anand. I believe you trade technical, right?
Mostly yes.
Yeah.
Okay, someone.
From the
Okay,
lines we see on Salah's screen, we know that he trades technicals.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you see a bunch of lines, a shit ton of lines.
Yeah,
same.
that's not
I have
fundamental. That's definitely technical. Oh my
just,
God,
just look
that's
at that. Just look at that, bro. Yeah.
I have similar lines. The gold is like crazy.
Mm-hmm.
okay. There you go. Hmm. Thank you, Vince. Thank you for watching. I think I saw a nice question. How to adapt our strategy with the market? Like, how do you change the strategy, or is it the same forever? Well, like the method does not change. For example, like my trading method is technical analysis, but the strategy, of course, like I might have different strategies for different time frames, for different market conditions, but they're pretty much very similar. I don't know about the guys, but that's my answer. What about you, Salah? Do you have different strategies, or is it one, or how do you adapt? That was the question.
It's just basically I have more than one strategy, but it's all connected, and uh, I work out with I work breakouts. Any breakout that I see, I highlight the consolidation or whatever zone it's in, and whichever way it goes, I'll be on the right way because if I follow my guidelines strictly and wait for my confirmations, I'll be on the right side on a breakout of any consolidation. And that's how I trade mostly.
So it's the same strategy
Mm-hmm.
somehow.
Yeah, breakout
Okay.
strategy.
Do you change strategies based on market conditions?
Not really. Like I do stick with my trade strategy most of the time. Mostly I trade counter trends on Tokyo session mostly, but last week you see gold has been acting very volatile. Even in today's, I think yesterday, right? I think it dropped. No, even today morning, Tokyo it
Guys, are
just
you
dropped.
seeing what's happening?
Yeah, it just dropped
Yeah,
500 pips.
yeah,
Like,
yeah. It didn't catch. Listen,
Bro,
my entry was $1 away.
bro, what the fuck is this? What is happening?
Okay, that's good. That's good.
It's good. I'm in profit, but it's just stupid. This is just stupid. What's happening is it's very weird.
80 pips, just like that.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Anand. You were saying that you do not change.
I mostly try to stick with the same strategy. If the market is basically the structure like bearish bullish, I just look at the entry models in a different way. That's it. Like if it's an uptrend, I look for a counter trend next day. If it's on a downtrend, I look for a counter trend next day. So that's pretty much what I currently look for. 150 pips max. That's what I target. I don't look for like 500 pips, 400 pips or something. But yeah, I might just change buy and sell, like, but I strategy remains the same. So I'm not gonna change anything on the strategy.
Yeah, it's pretty much the same. Like I've never seen anyone who has like. Actually, I have seen someone, but I'm not sure if they are like profitable or not. But they have a strategy for every market condition, like for every session even. But that's not me. I have very similar strategies. Um, the method is the same. It's technical analysis, the same confirmations, the same everything every single time.
Same. Perfect.
So it reached 20.30, and my entry was 21.30 or 40. So 1.1, 11 pips. Yes, Anand, you were saying
So
something?
I was just asking. So you hold position for long, right? For example, do you increase your lot size when the position goes right on your side, or you just hold to one position and you just wait for it to hit TP?
Like, I didn't get that. Your
So
voice started cutting. Can you,
yeah,
yeah, can
can
you
you?
repeat that? It's cutting still.
Okay, I'm not sure what happened. Hello.
Yeah, now it's good. Now it's good.
Okay, perfect. So my question is, Salah, sorry, Saif, you hold the trade for quite long, right? For example,
Yeah.
2,000 pips, 3,000 pips. Assume you've taken a lot. Do you increase your lot size on the way, or like you just stick with the single entry and just wait till TP, or do you increase lot size
Yeah,
to be?
yeah, yeah. I sometimes scale in and scale out depending on what I see along the way. So sometimes if the trade is going well and everything is like I'm reading the market properly and the trend that I am in, and I see that I have like another setup while I'm in that same trade. Yeah, I scale in and I increase my bets. Let's call it. But sometimes, if I see a very like important or very difficult resistance in my way or support in my way, I would scale out. Yes. So the trade management, yes, sometimes I scale in. Most of the time, I scale in, but sometimes I scale out. For example, talking about the gold trade, this trade I scaled in because uh, my target was an all-time high, so I had nothing on the left to stop me to make me scale out. I would start scaling out if it started going back down before reaching my target. But you saw how crazy it was. It
Yeah,
was like this, like, yeah, breaking all-time highs every single day.
true.
So this was your question, right?
Yeah, thank you.
Wait. Now what's happening? Do you think I should remove my sell limit or just leave it?
think you should just leave it. But again, when it
I
gets
would
triggered,
suggest you remove it.
I didn't get that. What?
I would suggest that you remove it.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. Personally, after this drop, it tapped 10 and then it flew back to 18. If it was to continue the drop and give us the retest that we want, then
Hmm.
dropped already by now. After doing all this, not trying to tap again into like 22 or higher than that. But I
Yeah,
mean,
I have a point.
if it breaks 22, if it breaks 22, it is just gonna fly instantly.
You know what? I might leave it, but change the stop loss
Yeah,
and put my stop loss on the previous high, which is 28.5.
yeah,
I think. Yeah, but like it's now
so
one
much,
to four,
bro.
which
It's
is not
not
bad.
worth
One
it.
to four is not bad.
I don't know. Um, why don't you just do manual execution?
What is this again? Sorry.
Why don't you just do it manually? Like,
I don't know. Like I like to place my orders and just like wait for it.
hmm,
I guess this is more comfortable because I'm used to like placing orders coming from a swing background. Like
mhm.
I rarely took any trades manually.
Yeah,
Um, so yeah, that became my execution style.
okay.
I just like place my orders and just wait for the market to come to me instead of just trying to chase it because chasing the markets cost me a lot in the past.
I feel you. I just want to be out of the market before FOMC.
You want to be what?
I want to be out of the market before
Before,
FOMC.
yeah. I
Yeah.
think it will give you what you want before the FOMC. We
Hmm.
still have like, I don't know, 5 hours, 4 hours and a half.
Yeah.
We still have time.
We got 10 minutes to stock exchange open as well.
Yeah, that could spark some volatility.
Sure thing.
How to manage losing streaks and how to overcome and recover from drawdowns. First of all, you take some time off. Second of all, that's the recipe that has worked for me every single time. So you take some time off. After you go back to trading, you start trading very small amounts. Like if you were used to trading one lot, now you need to be trading 0.05 until you start gaining momentum and seeing that you're trading properly and your confidence goes back up. Only then you start to increase your position size gradually. And that is the recipe, my friend. Guys, do you have any other advice for
taking time off is the best that you don't lose the account. That is something which is very good. To come out of drawdown, probably plan your trade wiser. Like, for example, have a setup. Like some people who I know personally start, they have a fixed entry models. For example, 1%, 2%, 2% always. Some people increase their for example, they double down on whenever they decrease the lot size. There are people who double up on like whenever they are losing streak. For example, first trade they lose 1%, they look for 1.5, they keep increasing. But I've seen people who first they trade 1% and they make 2%. On top of that, they risk their profits more. Uh, well as well. So you just figure out what works best for you. There are so
Mhm.
much different ways you can go about drawdowns, but end of the day, like if you're not psychologically fit to trade that particular drawdown, like you will lose. So try to test a particular drawdown strategy and see if it's work out for you.
Mhm.
That's something I would really advise. The drawdown part.
Um, I've been helping my student and my cousin. He's my cousin and my student at the same time. Basically, he went to phase two on his challenge for the first time ever, and he went to drawdown directly. He dropped all the way to I think 95K, and he has the Pro Funding Pips account, which is a 6% max drawdown. So he was basically 1% away from blowing his challenge, his phase two challenge. And I was with him, along the way. He was trading very, very, very selectively and careful, filtering almost every move inside his head and just going for the best, highest potential trades. And he was going for 0.25% on his 100K account. So he only took quarter lots and he was making 250 here and there once a day. He's not allowed to make more per day. And he's currently back to 98K from 95. So he made 3K just, trading safely, barely risking anything on a 100K account. And he was very patient with it. So if you're in drawdown and you're trying to get out of drawdown, make back what you lost, whatever it is, um, if you lower your risk as much as you can, and also filter out your trades, the thoughts inside your head, and try to be very, very selective. You're not going to trade every move, you're not going to trade every day, and you're going to take it easy and slow. You will get out of drawdown. You will make back what you lost. You will fix your account. It'll all go your way. Obviously, if you have the right plan in place. And this is, I mean, I've been witnessing that. Worked with my cousin, okay, my student. So yeah, I would suggest anybody to do that.
Well said.
Mhm. Yes,
I
sir.
hope that answered his question. We have a winner. We have a winner. Abdillahi Muse. Abdillahi Muse. Where are you? You won. Congratulations. Make yourself visible. Abdillahi Muse. Yeah, there it is. Congratulations. Don't blow it. I think it's never gonna fill my order.
Don't lose hope yet. 4 minutes.
Yeah, this session, no, and I'm not chasing it.
Yeah. I mean, you got 4 minutes to know if it's gonna give it to you or not.
Yeah,
I believe you're gonna get it, but I also believe that it might just annihilate our stop loss.
it might.
I don't like this price action.
It's
I
not
don't
the
like
it's
it
not the
at all.
smartest thing to do is like if I was like trading on my own, if I wasn't live, I wouldn't I wouldn't have taken any trades.
Yeah.
But like sometimes I feel like I want to entertain people watching, so we take some trades.
I mean, look at this 30 minute. The 30 minute is promising. I'm not gonna lie.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
Yeah. 15 is just a retest, basically. That's how you want to see it as. 15 minute is just a retest currently. The 1 hour is disgusting unless it closes below 15. Uh, I don't like it this way. I don't like what I'm seeing here. Uh, 4 hours, beautiful.
4 hours is bearish, yeah.
Yeah.
Not really. It's not like
It's just like a retracement, bro. The shorty
just a
wants to
small
push.
dot.
Like the low for the 4 hours now is 10. I believe it should at least be 4,000.
Yeah.
4,000 or 90.
Yeah, I think yeah, we have 2 minutes to go to the NYSE Open. Once we get that, I believe that we have some volatility, which might fill my order and stop loss. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see.
Let's hope for the best.
Yeah. Where's your sell limit? Someone is asking. It's at 420.60. It was 21.60. I moved it down to 2060 because the moving average moved down. So I'm following the moving average. Just in case you think I changed my mind. I don't change my mind. I just react to what I see. What's the most useful data point you track in your journal? Mine is the emotions before the trade. What about you guys?
But I would go by what you just said.
Emotion before the trade, not during the trade.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think these days I don't feel anything. I mean, stop loss a little bit, but
What's happening? Okay, now I think it's opened. Yeah, I think that's it. We're dropping from here.
Are we?
Yeah. 2 more minutes and we can tell.
Okay, Saif, I'll share my profits with you if it drops to 90. How about that?
No need, bro. I'm good. I'm good.
Let it drop to 90.
You can buy me coffee when I see you.
Okay. No, that's nothing. I'll invite you to some
Coffee, man.
Iraqi food.
Yeah, I'd love that actually.
Yeah.
I get paid in dolma, no problem.
I got you. I got you.
Yeah, I think it's going down.
Let's see.
What else do we have? Someone is saying it might shoot up also. Yes, it might. But it's more likely to go down based on what we see. Check something. I'm removing my sell limit. It's not going to reach there. I just made the sell setup here. So, where's your stop loss, by the way?
My stop loss?
Yeah.
For the setup that I'm giving them or the personally?
No, the one that that is running now.
So I moved my stops. It was at 29. I moved it, what's it called, 25. And you just reminded me to remove their stops as well.
Yeah, you can. Once it breaks 10, you can move it to 20.
Yeah, I keep moving it 50 pips each.
Yeah, and once it breaks 410, you can
Great.
safely move it to 20 and you're good.
Yeah.
And please just keep holding.
I will for you.
Thank you. Okay, here on the stream, 5K can second winner. Trying to read some questions. Very good setup. Yes, I agree.
You know, last night, Saif, I was just, I literally shorted after market open, like 20, 30 minutes after market open. And I'm
Okay.
just I'm chilling, you know. I'm not really watching my phone. I didn't expect much. My TP was far. And then I just look at the phone and I see one straight line like this. I'm
Yeah,
like, what the fuck is happening? Bro, it hit my TP, which
that's a
was at,
lovely surprise.
yeah, my TP was like at I think 17, 18, something like that. It dropped all the way from what price was at
I think 40 something.
40 something or 50-ish. And it just made a
44, I think.
straight line there. But that wasn't expected, and there was no reason in my head behind it as well.
Yeah, you got it, man. You can change your stop loss. You can move your stop loss. It
Hmm.
broke 10, so I think you can safely move your stop loss to 20.
Yes,
Where was
sir.
your entry, by the way? 26,
Uh,
25?
yeah. No, we closed that. It got hit.
Yeah, the one after it.
The one
What's
after
your... Yeah,
22.7 and 22.16. And then I
yeah,
added another one from 17.7.
yeah. So now your like your stop loss is in profit, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Of course.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Now you can either win or win more.
Yes, sir.
So congratulations.
This win is dedicated to you, bro.
Thank you. No, I'm not taking that. I'm taking Dolma.
Okay. As you
Yeah,
like.
I'm taking Dolma for. I'm not taking any sweet. What's it called? Sweet words.
I got you. Gonna have the best dolma.
You're an Amman, right?
Yeah.
Great.
Yes, sir.
So we'll meet soon.
Yeah, bro, you better let me know when you're here.
I'm here. I'm here.
You're in Amman?
I'm back. Yeah.
No way.
Yeah. I've been here for a week.
Oh shit, then I'm gonna see you this weekend.
Yeah.
For
Ready.
sure. For sure. You're gonna have some good dolma then.
Can't wait.
Yes, sir.
Just got hungry, man. Talking about it.
Same.
So, since you're the Iraqi guy, why don't you explain to people watching what dolma is? Yeah, we gave them a trade. Now let's talk about.
Talk food, right?
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Basically, guys, dolma is a very famous Iraqi dish that consists of stuffing some vegetables with rice. And the filling consists of rice, maybe some beef if you like it, very good seasonings, secret sauce, and the most common vegetable we use is something like
onion.
grape leaves, the onion, the grape
Yeah, I
leaf,
love the onions, man.
yeah,
The
onion,
stuffed
grape
onions.
leaf, other things. Damn, look at that.
Yep.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Yeah, it gave the like the signal just right, like at 4:31, like 16 point.
Mhm.
I don't know, depending on which time zone, but I'm talking like once it opened, once NYSE was open, 1 minute later we got a
Setup.
sell, a sell setup.
Mhm. Instantly. I just want to see what we're gonna have around 4,000 to 4,004 if we are to have anything stopping us there.
Yeah, 4,000 is an important level, I think.
Very important.
Hmm. Yeah, 4,000 is a level. It's very important. Hmm. And what do you think about the gold? What levels do you have visible? Let's help out a friend here.
Like checking. Oh wow, beautiful drop.
Yeah.
The first level, oh, 4,000 is actually a good level for us to, but I don't
4,000.
like,
Yeah.
but
We
it's
have,
gonna break. Like looking at the price action right now, it's just gonna break it pretty fast.
yeah.
So the
But I
next
think
level
you
I'm looking
want
for
to.
94, 94,
Sorry. Yeah,
390.
94 or 90. Was it 90 or 94?
Like that's a
95. 95.
95?
Hmm.
yeah, that's an entire level. I would be looking at some rejections there. 94 and 95. 92, 94 to be exact.
Yeah, 90, I'd go for 94 to be honest.
Yeah, same.
For full TP. Although it might drop much more than that, but for this trade, I believe like a 300 pip move would be great.
Mm-hmm. We have a winner for the giveaway. Another winner.
Okay.
Hold on. Okay. Um, Hussein. Hussein won with us.
Congratulations, Hussein.
Are you there?
They announce him now. Uh-huh.
Yo, everybody in the chat, could you please spam us with W's if you took this trade with us? We need them to spam us with W's.
Uh-huh. We have an Arab in the chat. They say they know the Dolma.
Yeah, I saw that.
Did you read the other comment? وضع
No.
بده عمان.
Really? Hold on, I'm trying to find.
Yeah, go down and read.
أنا أعرفها الوضع بده عمان وأربع نسوان.
Yeah, we have a good question here. What is the magic in technical levels? It's not magic, it's psychology. So I explained this before, but no harm in repeating it. Now, do you mind if I share my screen?
Go ahead.
Okay.
Let's just admire the W's in the chat with the win.
Sorry?
Let's admire that a lot of people in the chat took the trade.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's great. Okay. So I'm going to explain using an example now. Okay, guys? So we have this level. It's obviously a level, right?
Mm-hmm.
Here. So someone is asking, what's the magic in levels? Why do they work? The reason is, I want you to imagine that we have three types of traders on this exact price. Let's say the price is, what's it called? Horizontal ray, yes. Just to make it simpler, we choose 420. Okay, 420 is our level. Imagine at 420 we had three traders, one going long, one going short, and one doing nothing. Okay, so the one going long at that price right here made money, right here, correct? The guy who went long made money, it went up, but what happened psychologically? He said, I wish I entered only one lot, I wish I went in with two lots. So another guy sold right here. So it went up. He regretted the moment he entered. So he said, once it goes back to my price, I'm going to close my sell position. Closing a sell position means a buy position, right? So now we have the one with the long here wanting to buy more, and the one with the short here wanting to close his short using a buy. And the third type of a trader is an observer, someone watching. So this guy watching saw that the guy who bought here made money. So he got jealous and said, you know what? Once the price goes back here, I'm going to buy. So now it went up here. We had those three traders trading over here. It went up here and then it went back to the same price and got rejected. Why did it get rejected? Because you had the guy with the buys buying more, the guy with the sells buying to close his sell, and the one observing also buying because he got jealous from the one who bought. So that's how it works psychologically. It generated this rejection, generated buying pressure here. So from three different types of traders. And these are the only three types of traders in the market. Someone going long, going short, and doing nothing. So now, what's the logic of support becoming resistance? How does it become resistance? So at this point, at this same point that we were discussing, we had also three traders, a guy who bought, a guy who sold, and a guy who did nothing. The guy who bought regretted buying because look what happened. The guy who sold got very happy, but he regretted not selling more. And the guy who was watching got jealous from the person who sold. So what happened? Once it went back there, there was a very strong selling pressure coming from the buyer, the seller, and the observer. That's why we see rejection to the downside. That's how levels work. It's not magic, it's psychology. I hope I answered your question. Right, where did Salah go?
I don't know. I think he dropped off. Network issue probably. But levels do work perfectly sometimes.
Do you agree? Is it magic or it's psychology?
It's mostly human psychology only. Like it's not magic. It's like
Of course, it's some magic.
I think this is a so we announced 4 winners or 3 winners. This I think this is our last winner.
Okay, I'm happy I answered your question. Is the last? Yeah, we have another winner, but the how do you pronounce this?
Same. I had the same issue. That's why I thought, okay, you will do the
How do you pronounce this? You know what? Just like announce it on the chat. YVN Gabe. YVN Gabe.
Yun
Yeah, yeah, we have another winner, which is here it is. YVN Gabe. Congratulations! Don't blow it. Salah just disappeared. Yeah, he went to celebrate his profits.
He'll be like happy.
This was actually a good session. We got a good setup. There was some like fake signals, but that's okay. We had some really good questions, and we gave away plenty of giveaways. So we had one giveaway, but one giveaway from my ex account, where I gave it to Pip Saga 007. But I still haven't answered this question. I'll answer it on the next one, because I think we're running out of time this session. Do you have anything to add, Anand?
Nope. Nope.
All good?
Yep.
So thank you everyone for watching. Thank you for tuning in, and keep a close eye on the Fed tonight. We might see huge volatility following the press conference around 10:30 p.m. Dubai time. Take care of yourselves, and as always, trade responsibly and trade in. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you, guys. Bye.
Thank you, Anand. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.